Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back for part 3 of this vintage bloom scrapbook that I am completing. We're going to have 24 total pages in this scrapbook, and every single part is going to be here on YouTube. So if that excites you, make sure you subscribe. We're starting off this scrapbook layout with a light pink background for the photo mat. I just chose it because I thought it matched the flowers, not really any other reason than that. And speaking of matching the background, look how nicely this layout lays on top of my little craft mat here. It looks so pretty, and I think that would make a beautiful background to take some pictures on, which I did not do, but maybe I'll do it again. This is the second video I filmed with my new setup, and I am realizing that the lighting is a little bit too bright possibly, so just bear with me. I'm definitely going to be playing around with it and trying to get the best quality videos I can. I'm just going to go ahead and tape down this in bloom little embellishment piece. As always, this came from the paper pad itself. I do not buy extra ephemera packs, or at least I haven't for the 3 albums that I'm working on right now. So like I always say, my favorite thing to do is to cut embellishments that already come in the paper. And then these flowers here I just had in my stash, so I pulled them out and I'm going to go ahead and hot glue them down. I really love the way that they layer up. I just chose some different shapes so that they were a little bit more interesting. The 2 flowers that you see, like the first 2 that I glued down, the yellow and the green, they have gold little like filigree kind of stuff on it, and it's really pretty, and you should be able to see it in the photos. I'm really hoping that the flat lay that I took of this photo will come up well on the computer, because as y'all know, I do turn these into digital downloads, which I'll be opening up my shop on January 21st with. But regardless, I hope that the flowers, like the details of them, really come up well in the photos. I think they did, but I just have to see once I get it up on the computer, because I love the depth that they give. I just think it's so pretty looking, and of course I'm going to show you guys how you can kind of cut the paper so that you guys can also have that depth and have the flowers above your photo instead of just going your photo flat onto it, because obviously when this is a digital download, it's not going to have all the different layers to put your photo under. It's just going to be one flat thing. But I will show you how to get around that. And this layout was super simple with just the flowers and that little embellishment piece down there on the bottom. I'm going to finish it off with these little dragonfly stickers. They do have rhinestones on the wings, so I think that's super cute. But that is the last thing I'm going to add, and that completes this layout. So thank you for watching, and I hope this inspires you to create something of your own. And if you do, don't forget to tag me. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!